Hey guys, I'm Julie Samaka with Southern Charm Wreaths, where we make beautiful wreaths and teach you how to make and sell them. In this video, a quick sneak peek of this month's featured wreath for our Wreath Making of the Month Club. Let's go over the supplies you're going to need for this wreath. We've got this really cute rooster. It's metal, cute with the polka dots. And we've got these really pretty red flowers. This is 19-inch satin poppy bush. There's 10 flowers on it. And then we've also got this baby's breath bush. It's 18 inches high with 12 stems. And we've got some really pretty black and cream colored diamond print. So this is a really pretty 2.5-inch wired ribbon. And then we've got a 1.5-inch yellow and white plaid. Again, playing off of the black and the yellow and the rooster. I think positioning the sign is going to be the trickiest part. I'm going to go ahead and punch a hole right under this wing right here on the right above the tail feather. And if I do it right, I can position this florist wire right underneath one of the binding that's holding the grapevine wreath together. And his head is floppy. So let's do one up here. And this is how we have attached our rooster. And now we're going to make the bow. There's so many ways to make a bow, so many ways. I want a loose bow. I don't want a big stuffy bow. So I think I'm going to do just a loose bow. Unroll my ribbon. It's a little easier to work with when you can unroll it. Just twist enough to bring the good part of the ribbon facing forward. And we're going to do another 12-inch loop, just like that. And then we're going to twist. So now I want to reposition some of the streamers and the bow loop. So I want to put some of the black on the bottom and move some of the yellow to the top. And then we can dovetail the ends, although I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do with the ends yet. Sometimes I wait until I get the bow up on the wreath to determine how long I want the streamers. So if you don't have a pick machine, I'm going to show you what you could do. These are let's see, I think these are 4-inch, yep, these are 4-inch wooden floral picks. And we're going to attach it on the bottom and wrap it around this stem. And I'm going to use the floral tape to secure that wire even more onto the stem. So when I do this, now all I'm trying to focus my eye on is the red flowers. Just the red flowers, nothing else. So that I can see if they are evenly dispersed throughout the wreath. So now that I've divided them and bundled them together, so we're going to add first our yellow flowers. And what I've done is I've tried to go through and pick out some of the longer pieces because I know I need some longer stems on the bottom. So when you start to add the filler, the goal is try to not let it touch other filler flowers of the same kind. So we stagger it back and forth. So let's separate, make sure, because we've got 2 stems on this bush. We've got some with a really heavy flocked berry and then some without. So in order to make sure that they're distributed evenly, we want to make sure we separate the pieces. All right, so remember when I said our ribbon streamers are just a little bit short. So here, this one's really short. The ones over here, you can't even see. So we're going to go ahead and make some additional ones to put in its place so that it'll just give the effect that we didn't cut them too short. Is to crimp it. Again, you could add the floral wire if you wanted to. And I'm just going to put it in the pick machine. Just like that. So we're going to stick this one right through here. So you can see how your eye just continues on. It looks like it's one piece, but it's actually two.